Good afternoon, children. Yesterday we completed with question 1 and 2 of the lesson all about glass. Today let's continue with the remaining part of the written work. Write short notes on the following. How glass is made. Glass is made by heating a mixture of clean white sand and chemicals like soda and lime. The mixture is heated in furnace till it turns into hot liquid glass. When it cools down, it becomes stiff and hard. How glass is shaped. Answer. Glass is shaped into different articles when it is still hot and soft. It can be poured into molds, rolled out, floated on a bed of molten metal, blown into shapes, or even drawn out into fibers. Some properties of glass. Now children, you have to write this answer in points. Begin each point in a new line. Answer. It is transparent, you can see through it. It is strong and hard. You can put a lot of load on it. It is impermeable. It does not allow liquid to pass through and it doesn't get soggy or stained itself. Glass does not impart smell or taste to food, water, or other substances stored in them. Glass can be washed easily and it looks beautiful. Colored glass. Ordinary glass is colorless, but it is possible to produce colored and transparent glass by using different combinations of chemicals in the glass making process. Glass can be given many beautiful colors like blue, violet, turquoise, amber, etc. Children, always remember the 3 R's, that is, reduce, reuse, recycle. We all should follow this in our daily life to protect our environment. So here is one self-study question. Find out how paper and plastic are recycled. Write steps of the recycling process or draw the steps in your CW book. So children, either you can write the recycling process by writing all the steps, or you can just draw it in your own way. You can search it in the internet also. Remember, you have to do it in your CW book. Thank you.